We have another way to handle the if statements. The name of that is match case. In other languages we have a switch case. So how we can handle that? Let's have a variable fruit and it will be an input to get the value from the user. Please enter your fruit. Okay, and after that I want to have a condition on this fruit. We can simply write if fruit equal to for example apple, do something else. If it's equal to anything else, do something else. But I want to handle this structure with another code base. How can I do that? This is a time to learn about match case. We can simply write match after that. The name of the variable that I want to check. Simply you can see this. And after that we can have the case. We are saying that case, for example, apple. Print you choose apple. What is that? Let me write another one. What's this? Okay. Banana. And simply have another print here. Print you choose banana. Let me copy this part and have it here. What is this? In this match case, I wrote the variable here and it will check our variable will be fit with which of the case. For example, if our variable will be apple, so it will go here and run these codes. If it's banana, it will goes here and run these codes. Let me run this and let's see what we'll have. Simply right now it says please enter your fruit. I'm writing apple and simply we have the output here. So let me run it another time. For example, apple with capital A. As you can see, I don't have anything here as an output and it won't print anything. Okay, how can I handle else statement here? If the fruit is apple, it will goes and run this, and after that goes and run this. If fruit is banana. Otherwise, how can I handle else statement in the match case? Simply, we can have case or underscore as a condition. Print, for example, invalid. We just have these two kind of fruit and we can just accept these two kinds. If we have anything else, for example, something like this, so it's returning invalid and printing invalid. Simply we handled if else statement with match case. Let's have another example here, and let's assume that we have a day and value of that is Monday. We want to or we can have that from the input. It's something that will be interesting. Please enter a day, and after that we want to identify if that day is in the weekend or no, it's a weekday or it's an invalid day. How can I handle that? Again, simply I can use match here and write a day, and after that case. If the day is Saturday, or we can handle this or a multi-condition and multi-value with this line, and or Sunday print weekend. Okay, let's have another case for weekday, Monday and Tuesday, and etc. I won't write all others, and let's skip them. Print weekday, and otherwise, if we don't have any of these as an input, let's print invalid day. Simply I handle something like this with match case. Let's run our example and let's see what we'll have. Let's provide some day, for example Monday, and it's print weekday. Another one, for example Tuesday. I think I spelled it in the wrong way. Yes, as you can see, it's weekday. And if I put, for example, this here, it's weekend. And if I put anything else, any character, anything, you can see we have invalid day here. So, match case is a structure that we can handle if-else statement with that. Depends on your structure and what do you want. You can use match case or if-else statement or anything else, or ternary operator. You can choose any of these three.